Hi, I'm Eunyul, and today I'm gonna tell you how to solve the 2x2. So the 2x2 is basically a 3x3 because this is the center and this is the hidden edge and this is the corner. So same with the 0x3 basically. So the 2x2, you can imagine with a 3x3 with a center which doesn't have color and with edge which is hidden. So that's the 2x2, and let's scramble the 2x2. And now I'm gonna tell you how to do it. Hi, I'm Eunyul, and today I'm gonna tell you how to do a tutorial of the 2x2. So the 2x2 tutorial, I done the intro, and now is the part which is the most hardest for you guys. The solving part. What is this dust? But the solving part, if you know the 2x2, it isn't way too hard. So first you gotta make a bar. But these two gotta be correct as well. So you gotta find the right piece. This is the right piece with this, because like this, but it could be kind of confusing for you guys. If you guys know it as the white, then also let me tell you how to do with the white. So we find two, so blue, then this guy gotta be 1, 2. Oh, and the first one doesn't disturb anyone, so we could only do that. And then next is this guy. Then you gotta do. So if you're like, so you gotta do this, like this. But there's another option. Do that. But this is a better option. Oh, so and this 3 is like, so in 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, like. So let me show you again. So 1. Okay, so this is the hard part. So the first case is this 2 aren't done. So in this case, you gotta do like F. Oh yeah, and before I tell that algorithm, I gotta tell you twist. This is twist. So for memory, I'm gonna do it not fast, okay? So F, twist, F prime, done. And next is still same, like, but you have 2 bars. So it could, so these bars is okay if they aren't all correct. So 2 bar case, get 1 of the bars at your side and do the same algorithm, but 1 extra twist. F, twist, and another twist, and F prime. So next is this case. So this case is only 1 correct. So ignore this and find where the yellow piece is facing. So if this is facing you, so then get like this and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, done. And if it's like ignore this and this, then you'll be like this. Okay, so and that is 4 of the cases. There are 3 left. So we gotta do. So this case, and like 1 bar, 2. So if you're like that, get your bar at your right top, then get like twist. So twist. I get this. Bar. Get out. Bar. Get in. Done. Next, if you do that again, then you get another case. This looks like the 8 case, so I can. So this is the 8 case. Then the 8 case you gotta do. So there gonna be 2 facing each like this. But in this case, if this it isn't okay. So from here you do it like this and get a prime twist and get this and that this done. And this is the hardest case. This bar, but one of the bars are in here and one of the bars are in here. So in this case, the bar gotta be in your back up. So back up, and then get 1, 2, and boom. You're done with your yellow. So there are 2 cases. First case, no correct bar. Then you gotta do this algorithm. But second case, correct bar. Then get that bar and make 1 face. Beautiful. And every case gotta be these 2 swapped. There can't be other cases in this method. So you gotta do. Yes, and that's the full tutorial. So I'm gonna mix this very randomly, and I'm gonna try to do this. And with no correct bars. Okay. No correct bars. And let me start with my question. 3, 2, 1. Okay. That. And this. And done. So guys, if you want to do even more videos in the tutorial like the 3x3 and the 1x3x3, please do a like. Then I'll do the 3x3 and 1x3x3, especially 5 likes for the 3x3. So, 10 likes for the 1x3x3. So, bye guys. It was in your show. Yeah.